Wonder how to make old paper texture in Photoshop? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create an old paper texture from scratch using a sheet of paper and coffee, and then I will show you how to apply it to an image. Afterward, we will take a look at the textures available on Envato Elements, and we will combine them for creating an overlay. I am Gromov for Envato Tuts Plus. First of all, you need to make a strong coffee or tea. Afterward, take a sheet of paper and cover the surface of your paper with a coffee using a brush. Create a few different papers using this method, wait until they dry, and then put it in the scanner. Here are a few variations of the old paper texture I have got using this simple technique. Once you have done with the scanning of the texture, open the image you want to use. Go to File, Place, and then put in Resize your paper texture to fit the image. Afterward, change the blending mode of the layer to Multiply. Press Alt-Ctrl-Shift-B to convert the texture to black and white. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Brightness Contrast, and set the brightness to 30 and contrast to 25. This is how our textured image should look like. If you are looking for a place where you could find a collection of high-quality paper texture, try Envato Elements. There is a great number of all kinds of textures, overlays, backgrounds and much more. I have found this amazing vintage textures pack with high-detailed old paper scans. Let's try to use it with our image. Place the vintage texture 25 and vintage texture 5 above our photo. Select the first texture and then hit Alt-Ctrl-Shift-B to convert the texture to black and white. Afterward, change the blending mode of the layer to soft light. And then change the blending mode of the second texture to multiply. And finally, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Brightness Contrast, and set the following settings: Brightness 50, Contrast 25. And here's our final result. In this simple way, we can create paper texture overlay Photoshop effect using the handcrafted texture made by ourselves or paper textures from Envato Elements. Feel free to show us your old paper texture in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our channel for more useful tutorials.